It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, September the 2nd. I'm Michael Groff. The warming and drying trend will continue for the rest of the week, and heading into the Labor Day weekend, temperatures will once again be flirting with record highs by then. How long will the heat last, and what about rain chances? When might those be coming back? Let's get into it first. Yesterday in the valley, 102 degrees was the afternoon high, 84 the morning low. The normal high, 104, the normal low, 81. Outside now, here at 7 o'clock, we've got mostly sunny conditions out there and looking at 84 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it's muggy. Dew point up at 66, relative humidity 55%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 73 the cool spot up on Thompson Peak, 76 Fort McDowell, 78 at South Mountain Park, 80 in Buckeye. Most locations around the metro are in the low to middle 80s. The upper air look shows a ridge of high pressure building in across the Pacific Northwest and into the Great Basin. That will become the dominant weather feature around here for quite a while. Here's the watch warning map. We've got red flag warnings, wind advisories, and high fire danger for the central and northern Rockies and heading out into the Dakotas. Here in Phoenix, an excessive heat watch is in effect from 10 a.m. Friday morning through 8 p.m. Monday. That likely will get upgraded to an excessive heat warning by the National Weather Service at some point later today. Convective outlook for today, a little marginal risk over parts of South Texas, as well as from around Memphis all the way up into upstate New York. And the tropics are still pretty active. We've got a couple of waves, one over the central Atlantic, one just coming off the African coast. We won't worry about those right now. A couple of tropical storms on the board also. We've got Omar and Nana. First, Nana, this is hugging the coast of Honduras. This could become a hurricane as it moves into Belize, ultimately toward Guatemala and southern Mexico, bringing lots of wind and very heavy rain, flooding potential there. And then we've got Omar. This is just moving out harmlessly into the middle of the Atlantic. It will remain a tropical storm for the next day or so and then fizzle out. And precipitation around here for the next 7 days. This comes from the WPC. Not much rain to speak of, as a very hot and dry weather pattern will continue, one that we'll detail now as we take a look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The ridge along the west coast continues to expand into the Great Basin and ultimately into the desert southwest. So what it means for us with that dry northwesterly flow down at the surface, sunny and warm today. Highs 100 to 103. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s, and then tomorrow, sunny, warmer. Highs 105 to 108. Here's Friday. The ridge gets a little bit closer to us, setting up over Utah and Nevada. The upper heights climbing into the 595 to 597 decameter range. That is the 99th percentile of climatology, so it's going to be roasting here. High temperatures 110 to 113. No doubt we'll be flirting with records. Same thing on Saturday, 110 to 113. The sky is sunny, the air is dry. Maybe we chop about a degree or two off of the high temperatures for Sunday and Labor Day, but it's still pretty hot. Highs 108 to 111 both days. Overnight lows will remain in the 80s for the most part. Then here's Tuesday. The ridge starts to weaken in response to deep troughing now diving southward over the Central Plains states. The ridge will also be moving away from us a little bit to the west, so high temperatures should fall off at least a few degrees. And then here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 9th of September. The ridge continues to weaken. Look at that upper low, that very deep system now over the nation's midsection. Goodness. Very cool air there. Temperatures here will be cooling off a bit as well. If the European solution verifies, and I'll show you that right now, it's got an upper low over the four corners. Now that still looks dry for us, but we would be much cooler. In fact, the latest deterministic European is printing a high of 88 degrees in Phoenix for next Wednesday. I don't think it's going to get that cool. Highs probably fall back toward the century mark, though. And then let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday, the 11th of September, back off the GFS. It's got a 591 ridge sitting right on top of us. If that's right, we're still hot, although not quite as oppressively so. Temperatures still above average, though likely, I would say, in the 101 to 105 bracket at least, and conditions to remain dry. All right, let's take a look at precipitation off the European ensemble, and there are a few members that show some rain in here by the middle part of next week, but for the most part, we're dry. The ensemble mean is about 0.15 of an inch, and there are many members here in the 51-member ensemble that show absolutely nothing for the next couple of weeks. Temperatures off the national blend of models pushing up toward 112 or so by Friday, and the Labor Day weekend looks like a very hot one, but then temps trending down by the middle part of next week. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so very much for watching. As always, it is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water, watch your kids around the swimming pool, and have yourselves a tremendous Wednesday.